Alright guys, we are live. Might get stopped out here anytime on my short. Norwin, welcome back. Might be getting stopped out here though. We will see. I'm still in the short for midnight, guys. My stop loss is right here, so we got really close once already to the stop loss. Yeah, I don't know, guys. ES is so bullish. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely crazy how bullish ES is. So we are gonna see if I get stopped out here. I really hope that we're gonna see some sellers here, but it doesn't look like it. I just entered a limit, but on CFD. Yeah, if I get stopped out here, guys, I have one more sell here, but yeah, we will see. I'm only gonna take one more sell after this one. Don't want to risk more than 2 stop losses a day. And I'm probably just gonna call it a day if we hit another stop loss on the other short. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I hope we can still stay in this trade. It would be nice to be able to stay in here. I do think we will see a correction any time though. I mean, we have been just going up for days now actually. So a little pullback would be healthy and we would still be in an uptrend, so... Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen here. But we might get stopped out soon. I might get stopped out soon. I'm not sure if you guys are still in this trade. Wally is also in this trade on Discord. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. It's getting really close though. The stop loss is right here at 6950.75 is my stop loss. And I was really hoping for a bearish New York Open at least, but yeah, it didn't happen. Did not happen. Yeah, but if I lose this trade, guys, so this is literally the last order flow level. I put my stop loss above this order flow level here. So if we go above this here again, the trade is invalidated, so I'm gonna get out of it. Yeah, and I'm gonna look for one more sell at 6960. And if we also lose that, then it is how it is, guys. Like I told you many times how risky shorts are. And this is exactly why I'm really cautious with my shorts. But this was a really good entry actually, even the one that I got at midnight. It was not a bad entry. But we're about to get stopped out maybe, guys, right here. Come on, we need some sellers here. Might get stopped out here soon. 6948 is my short. Yeah, that's a good entry. Much better than mine. So my entry is around here. 6925 is my entry. We're gonna get stopped out here probably, guys. It's getting really close. No sellers at all. I mean, there are sellers, but not enough. Still a lot more buyers here. 700 positive delta. I mean, ES is so strong, guys. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy how strong ES is. On the other hand, though, the Bitcoin longs have been really paying off, guys, from Sunday. So that is nice to see. And I mean, we caught the best long of the whole week as well. I just didn't hold it long enough. Should have held it much longer. Wow, it's getting really close here, guys. Come on. Can we get some sellers? Or are we gonna get stopped out here? Welcome back, Huroy. You're a new evil. Good luck to you. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out here, guys, I think. I mean, now there's a really high probability that we're gonna hit the stop loss. It's getting really close. But it's good to have a stop loss on stream. I mean, this is the worst day since the last 2 weeks for me so far. But we might be able to recover this still, guys. We might still close green today. If we get another, if we push higher, I have one more sell placed. I'm gonna show it after it's stop loss. Come on. No. Yeah, now we stopped out. Now we stopped out. So we are stopped out here on this trade, guys. It is what it is. Stopped out here. So let me see if my other shorts are still open. So I'm gonna show you the last short I'm gonna try, guys. I'm not gonna short more than this. So I'm gonna try one more short here. Oh, I have to reopen it as well. I'm gonna do 2-1 contracts here. And I'm gonna close one really early just to try to recover the losses here. I'm gonna open this one at 6960.50. And actually I'm gonna open the other one at the same level. Wait, you cannot see it properly. Give me 1 second. Now you can see it. What a crazy, crazy market, man. This is insane. Absolutely insane that we haven't seen any pullback at all here. This is crazy. Yeah, so this is the last 2 sells that I'm gonna place here, guys. But we can recover the losses with these trades if this plays out. So there is some hope that we can still close green today. Oh, how unlucky. Imagine we dump now. This would be so tilting. But I'm not gonna go into a short here again. I wanna have a better entry on this short, guys. So I'm gonna short here, one more short with a daily level, with an order flow level here as well. I mean, if we don't see a reaction from here, I don't know, guys, then the market is just absolutely bullish. I mean, we have been just going up now since 30 to 31st March, we have just been pumping. So this short was not even a bad short here, guys. There was actually a high probability that we're gonna see a pullback after this massive rally here. You know how careful I am with shorts, but this was a really good short, actually. No reason not to take it. Yeah, but it is what it is, guys. Cannot win all the trades, but we can still recover. I hope now that we're gonna fill the next entry here. Let me see once more on the order flow. I want to see the order flow now, guys. I have to see this. I mean, these buys, it's so insane. It's so crazy. And this I want to check. Where's the level? 6963. So we are gonna enter a little bit earlier. A little bit earlier on this level. And this is another order flow level. And this is actually the one I hoped that it would hold, but we just broke through it now as well. 6961. Yeah, this is also too very high. Yes, I'm definitely gonna try one more short here, guys. This is gonna be the last short of the day, though. Last short of the day. If we lose this, it is what it is. But I think maybe we can recover. Maybe we can recover the losses with this short. I'm gonna put it on screen now as well, so you know where I'm gonna short. 6960. Wait, 6960.25 is my entry. Yeah. Probably gonna go there soon. With how strong the market is. Yeah, but guys, I had a really good last 2 weeks, so this might be the first red day I had in a long time now. Short level. So I'm gonna try one more short here, guys. I hope we can actually fill this. Yeah, crazy market, man. It's crazy. Like, there has been no pullback at all, guys. And we have just been going up, but we had an insane long. We actually had an insane long. We had the best long of the week. I just should have held it much longer. Closed the long way too early. It would have been a 7-hour trade on the long this week. So this is a little bit sad that we closed this so early. But yeah, we cannot change it now. I hope we can go here, guys, for one more try on this short. So yeah. But this is why I tell you all the time, guys, shorting is really risky. Like, shorting is just so risky compared to longs. And this is a perfect example that we've seen in the last weeks, actually. We just went higher and higher, and there were some pullbacks, but in the last day you saw how crazy these pumps can be. Like, there was no single pullback. Like, all the shorts that have just been getting destroyed all the time. And we saw a ton of shorts getting liquidated here. We had a lot of liquidations here as well. Ton of liquidations here as well. So there have been so many shorts that have been getting liquidated. Let's see if we can get this fill here, guys. This would be the last trade. Yeah, the long would have been the long would have been insane. We just had to hold it. We literally just had to hold that long for the end of the day yesterday. We would be up 7 to 8 or on the long from yesterday. This was a crazy, crazy long. And we went up 300 points now, almost 300 points from the entry in 2 days. This is absolutely crazy. But yeah, guys, worst thing you can do now is just keep looking for shorts. So I'm not going to short the same level here again. I mean, I was in from lower, yes, but now I want a new entry. I don't want to try to trade the same range. If we don't go there, we dump now, it is what it is. We're pushing still. Holy, like this is absurd, guys. It's absolutely absurd. Yeah, so this is the last short, guys. I'm gonna try. If we hit another stop loss here, I'm gonna call it a day. We'll be back tomorrow with a fresh mind. Because as you know, my rule is if I lose 2 trades a day, I'm gonna be done for the day. Doesn't happen often, but yeah, maybe today we might hit another stop loss. I mean, it can happen. It's just insane, this pump, like completely crazy. We're getting really close to the next entry here. I'm even thinking of putting the entry a little bit higher here, actually. I think I'm gonna place one sell, guys. I'm gonna place the other sell a little bit higher. One sell at this level and the other one at 6963. Yeah, we're gonna pump there for sure now, I think. Holy, this pump is crazy. This is insane. Like, what is going on, guys? The bulls are really back. It's crazy. There was also no real good opportunity, by the way, to long today at least. Yesterday there was an insane long, of course, right at midnight, which she took, but today, like long, there's been no really good entry, no safe entry, at least for me as well. We are getting really close here to the level, guys. And this will be the last short of the day. About to get filled here. About to get filled, guys. I did not fill yet, by the way. We hit the level, but I did not fill yet. I don't know why I didn't fill, actually. It was on my level. Come on. Not filled yet, quite. I'll tell you once I'm filled. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna fill now, though. Now I'm in. Okay, now I'm in. So this is the last short, guys. Last short. If we lose this, I'm done for the day. Literally done for the day. And I'm gonna switch the stream off early, but let's see. Maybe we're gonna win this one. That would be nice. We can recover all the losses with this trade, maybe. In the trade now, did we hit the order flow level? I don't think we quite hit it yet. Almost. As you can see, we did not hit the order flow level yet. But I usually place the entries a little bit below, because sometimes these levels get front run. So my stop loss is, good question, my stop loss is 6982, 75. Can we recover here, guys? What do you think? Let me see if all the trades are filled. Yes, we're filled on all the prop firms. So last short, guys, of the day. And keep in mind, do not gamble here, guys. Like, it is risky to short. I only opened this with 2 contracts as well. Risking $200 on each funded account. Decent reaction though, at least now. We still have the daily, we still have resistance here, so if we push higher, doesn't mean we're gonna lose the trade, we can still go higher. Man, this is crazy though, guys. I mean, what was this pump now again? This is absolutely crazy. Let's see. But as I said, guys, do not risk a lot on this trade. Risk what you can afford to lose, because as I said, shorts are risky. We are trading against the trend. Still so many buyers, it's absurd. So stop loss is at 6982, so we have to pump a lot still to hit the stop loss. This would be insane if we go up there, but it can happen, guys. It can actually happen. I mean, this has been an insane rally here. But now we have a good entry, so if we see a dump now, if it's actually gonna happen, we're gonna recover the losses from the last trade with this entry. But we have to really lose this daily VWAP, which is so far away still. We did actually, I think we hit the, no, we didn't hit this one. As you can see, it was a little bit front run here. Oops, now I went out of extra charts. Didn't hit this order flow level yet. Let's see here on the TPO. But we did hit the value area high of this session. We did hit this value area high, guys. So this is actually the last short, yeah, that I even want to take. I mean, if we lose this trade, guys, we're gonna go up to 7K, which would be so crazy with how fast we went up here. So last short, guys, wish me luck. If you want to take it with small contracts like me. I can afford to lose 2 trades a day. This is completely fine. And we had a profitable day yesterday, so even losing these trades is fine, even if I lose this one. And you can see the unrealized P&L. We are slightly in profit, but basically nothing yet. Man, these sellers, guys, absolutely crazy. I mean, these buyers, not sellers, these buyers are so crazy. I mean, if we go, once we go down, once we see a bigger correction, guys, it will be probably a really big one. Fast and fast squeeze of all the longs. Where's your take profit? I have 2 take profits. So I'm gonna show it to you quickly. I actually have 2 take profits here. So this is the stop loss here from before. And I'm gonna close one here, because with this one we're already gonna recover basically almost all the losses from this short I took here. And the other one I'm gonna hold longer, just in case we see a big dump. Now we have 2 contracts. I opened 2 single ones. So I'm gonna open 2 single ones more often, because it's much better for me, because then I can actually hold runners. I wish I would have done this here, guys. So we were in longs. I was in a long from here. I wish I would have actually opened 2 single contracts here as well, because then I would have held one much longer. So I'm gonna do this now all the time. The best way to actually let the trades run, and you can actually take profits. So this is much better. So one take profit is here and the other one is here, and this is my stop loss. I mean, if we get stopped out here, this would be such an absurd pump. I mean, we still have to go up 20 points now after all this massive upwards movement here. Didn't you want to move your second entry? Yeah, I was thinking about that, but I didn't do it. It was too fast. I didn't have time to actually do it. But 2 contracts are filled now. Yeah, risking $200 on the setup on each account. And on the other one we lost $200 as well. But keep in mind I have 350k Apex accounts where I do risk a little bit more. So this is why the P&L is slightly a little bit more red than usually. Because I risk 6 contracts on each of my buys or sells on Apex. So let's see, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, the bulls are insane. They're absolutely brainless, basically. I mean, who buys that many contracts up here? It's so crazy. It's kind of crazy. And this was at midnight, by the way. We had a ton of shorts here that opened. We had so many shorts here, as you can see. And this was like 4 to 5 hours where there were new shorts opening all the time, and all of these shorts got wrecked here. So you can see the liquidations down here. They all got destroyed on this pump. So I actually hoped for a little pullback since all of these shorts got destroyed, but it didn't happen. We almost went to entry here. So the best thing that we should have probably done that, should have probably closed this short here, close to entry, and then look for a re-entry. But yeah, even I would have probably entered around here again. So we would have even got stopped out as well on this one. So it is what it is. Yeah, but let's see now. Let's see. My stop loss is at 683, but my entry is at your second entry. Oh, you have a better entry now. That's nice. Yeah, I don't know, guys. This is what I've said many times, though. This is why shorting is so much more risky, man. I mean, these pumps are so crazy. But even though, like, you know, I'm really cautious with shorting. So the shorts we took here were fine. I mean, these were not bad shorts. I would take them again. It's just insane how many buyers we still got up here after we've been going up for days and days. I really was waiting for a pullback, but it just didn't happen, I guess. We have just been going up and up and up. Really strong start of the week, actually. What is Bitcoin doing, by the way? I think Bitcoin didn't even go up that much. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, it actually did. It pumped another. Bitcoin is at 75k now. Crazy. Crazy, 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 guys. But once ES is gonna drop, Bitcoin is also gonna fall, by the way. Most likely, at least. This is also why I took profits on my longs. I personally hate shorting. Yeah, I also hate shorting, but the thing is, if you never short, it's also bad. So you just have to be really careful with shorts. For example, we had a massive downtrend as well on ES, as you know, before this move. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you on TradingView. There we go. So we had this massive downtrend here as well. I mean, look at this. So if you never looked for any shorts here, this was from January to March, so almost 3 months. If you never look for shorts here, this is really hard to trade as well. So never looking for shorts is also not the way. You just have to be more careful. But we were really careful with the shorts. I mean, we were shorting here, guys. Yesterday we were in a long from here. We were shorting here. So it is completely fine to lose this one short. I mean, imagine how many people, just imagine how many people tried to short here all the time and got completely destroyed on these upwards moves. But I was looking for longs here all the time, so I did play this out. I did play this perfectly. This is just, it's normal to lose like a trade. We cannot win all the trades, guys. Cannot win all of them, but yeah, I didn't expect us to pump that much again. Like, it is crazy. After we've been going up for for 14 days, basically, we've been going up. And here I looked for one short, and we just kept going up. It's crazy. Yeah, but it's still looking bullish, the chart. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not really bearish on ES. I'm still bullish on ES, but at these levels, I don't want to long. So I want to look for shorts because we have been pumping, as you can see, for a long time. So if we see a retracement, it will be a big one where we can probably make a lot of money as well if we get a good entry. And this is a good entry, and the other one was also a good entry. We just got stopped out. We could have also seen a pullback from here, you know. Trading is all about probabilities. You never know what's going to happen. So it could have also played out. But we were more than patient enough with our shorts, guys. Literally, I mean, we were really patient with them. I mean, even yesterday I was waiting for the best short, which it did end up getting stopped out, but I only risked one contract on that short. We ended up getting stopped out on it, but we basically shorted the best level you could short as well. Yes, it's just really bullish. It's absolutely crazy. But this is, if you look at the ES chart, guys, this is actually what often happens. I'm gonna show it to you quickly here. If you look at the ES chart, on all the dumps, for example here was a massive dump, right? And look what happened after. It's just a short squeeze after short squeeze, going higher and higher and higher. So this is why you have to be really careful shorting ES. And this is what happened now as well. We dumped a lot, yes, we did dump. We went to the order flow level here to the exact dollar. And we also had the anchored VWAP and other confluences here. And since then, we've just been going up. This is why you have to be really careful with shorts, guys. And it happens over and over again. Here again, strong dump, and after this rally after rally. But there are some nice shorts to take here as well, if you are really patient. And that's why I'm being really patient. I really want to get into the best shorts only, and I'm being really, really careful with shorts, guys. I mean, there is a chance that we're gonna make a new all-time high, you know what I mean? We can make a new all-time high. Because we had so many shorts that we had a long downtrend here for almost 3 months. And then we broke the structure, reclaimed the anchored VWAPs, and since then we've been just pumping. So yeah, this is why you have to be careful. But as I said, guys, today there was also no real good long opportunity at all. And for me, actually, shorting had a higher probability. I didn't expect to pump again so much today. It's all getting bought, yeah, and we don't see a lot of new sellers here. I mean, there are sellers, but there are new buyers stepping in all the time. I really hope we can see a pullback from here, guys. $600 up, a little bit up, but not enough. But this is a good day trade level, guys. I think we should see a little pullback from here, but who knows? We can also lose it. But I would definitely short this again, guys. Orderflow level with a daily level here as well. So this is a daily resistance level here at 6963 as well. Now we're gonna be patient. We're gonna see if we finally see a dump here. And maybe we're gonna recover the loss, guys, from today. It can happen. It can still happen. This actually happens often with my strategy, that I have one stop loss, and that since I'm allowed to have 2 stop losses, I can take 1 more trade. And sometimes, often I recover the losses from the first trade if I have a loss. But this is exactly why I like to use a wide stop loss as well, guys. Like, imagine scalp trading here. If you're looking for shorts, trying to look for shorts and you're scalp trading with a tight stop loss, you would just get destroyed. Unless you have been just longing, obviously. If you have just been longing, it's been really easy with scalp trading. I'm just really sad yesterday, this was the most sad thing of this week, that CME didn't work. I didn't have access to my order flow because I would have longed here, guys. We had a bullish CVD. I was trying to log in, it didn't work. I even posted it on Discord. So I closed my long here. The nice long, I actually closed it. Oh no, it wasn't here, sorry, it was below somewhere. But yeah, we had a bullish CVD print, and I didn't have access to extra charts because there was some issues with CME. So I would have actually re-entered. This was kind of unlucky. This would have been so crazy, re-entering the long. Because there was a big pump that happened yesterday. So a little bit unlucky on that one. Still a lot of buyers here. Can we recover, guys? What do you think? Are we gonna finally see a pullback, or are we just gonna go higher? Slightly in profit, but almost nothing. I mean, this is a 3 points move. We need a much bigger correction to recover the loss. Probably gonna go, maybe we're gonna go to the daily level here as well, still, because we have not taken that one out yet. Have not taken out the daily level yet, guys. And even the order flow level was not hit yet, so I think we might go there still. You can see here the order flow level was not tapped yet. It's at 6963, right at the daily level. But I'm happy if you go down, obviously, because I'm in the trade already. There are some sellers here though, but I don't know, guys, like, sellers have not won at all recently. We had negative delta on these candles, but really not enough here. So once you lose the daily VWAP, I think then we're gonna see a big dump. And we're probably gonna finally see a long squeeze of all these longs that have opened up here. But for this to happen, we need to go lower, obviously, guys. As long as we go higher, they're not gonna get liquidated. Kuro, how are you doing? By the way, Kuro, in which challenge did you buy? Did you buy one on FundedNext or do you use Apex? If you're still in the stream, let me know. Oh, we're at break even again. We are at break even again, guys. Yeah, and guys, if we hit the stop loss here, I'm done for the day. So this is the last short I'm gonna try. So we tried one short before, which hit stop loss, and this is the next one I'm gonna try. Such a bullish New York Open as well. It's crazy. We just pumped since New York Open. Still so many buyers. They don't give up yet, guys. They're not giving up. Bobber Meyer, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? We are in red today. Like, this is one of the first red days since almost 2 weeks, guys. I wonder if we're gonna be able to recover this and still close green today, or if we're gonna have 2 stop losses. Like, I don't know, the market has been so strong, like EOS has just been going up. So we will see what's gonna happen here. This is the last short, guys. I showed it to you as well. Last short of the day. So we tried one short here at the market open. Rezi, welcome back. Tried one short, as you can see here, got stopped out here. And this candle got stopped out around here. And now this is the last trade I'm gonna take. As you know my rules, guys, 2 stop losses, I'm done for the day. If I hit 2, so this is the last trade I'm gonna take. So we have still some chance that we're gonna recover the losses that we took on the last short here. But we took an insane, for everyone that didn't watch my stream yesterday, guys, I took this long here. So I was in a long from here. I was actually in a long from here. But I closed it too early. I closed it around here. We closed it way too early. If I just held this, we actually went up to, let me show you, we went up to 6,900. So this would have been a 7-hour trade. So I could have made 1.4k on each account if I just held this trade. So this was a really bad mistake here to close this. There was also no real reason to actually close this. I should have just placed the stop loss at entry. This is what I should have done and let it run. Because then I wouldn't have tried to short. I took one small stop loss on a short yesterday as well, but I still closed in green yesterday. And this is the short I took after the market opened at midnight as well, which got stopped out, and now I'm gonna try one more. But this is the last one, guys. If we lose this one, I'm done for the day. So one more short I'm gonna risk here. Maybe we're gonna recover the losses. Who knows, guys? But the market is still looking really bullish. Like, everything is just pumping. Bitcoin is pumping, oil is going down. Yeah, everything is just going up here. Since 2 weeks now, we've just been going up. I'm gonna go back. Oh wait, I'm already on the order flow. There we go. Thank Dolphin, welcome back, and Frezzy is also here. How are you guys doing? Man, this has been a crazy day. Crazy day. I really did not think that we're gonna go up that much again today. I mean, this is kinda crazy. But this is exactly why I say, guys, shorts are much more risky. And I should have also probably just waited with this short here, I guess. Even though it was a really good short level, it was an order flow level, we had a 1 hour level, and I hoped that we're actually gonna lose this. So this is what I hoped, that we're gonna lose this 1 hour level. Oh, this magnet, I need to disable it. Wait, I need to also go to trading view. So I did hope with this setup that I took that we are gonna lose that 1 hour level, but it didn't happen. We actually retested as a support overnight at like 7 to 8 AM, and we never lost it. So I really did hope that we're gonna lose that and go lower here. Yeah. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, this has been a rough day so far, I'm not gonna lie. But we are within the rules, guys, so even if I lose this trade, it is fine. We just should never get tilted. I mean, it is normal to lose some trades, and I had really good days. This is like one of the first red days so far. Maybe we're still gonna close green today, if this one plays out. We are at the order flow level now, guys. We are actually at the order flow level now, I think. No, almost hit here. Look at this, almost hit. So this is our last hope here in the daily level. Because if we don't see a pullback from here, we're probably still gonna go higher. So this is literally the last level. I did enter a bit earlier, yes, because I usually do this on all the levels. Because sometimes we see a front run. I'm gonna show you an example of a front run, wait. Here you can see a perfect one. It is loading though now. Oh, we are still pumping, guys, it is crazy. Not a single retracement. Even though there are sellers, but they're just not winning. Here you can see an order flow level that has been front. Look at this one here. This was the craziest long, by the way, that I also took here. But this was also front run by a little bit here. So if you place the entry right on this level, you would have missed it. And this is why I usually always place my stop loss a little bit above or below the levels. We are just going up still. This is absolutely crazy. Yeah, not looking too good, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Now we hit the order flow level though. These buyers, it's crazy. Way too strong the market, these bulls, it's insane. Yeah, we have to see a rejection from here, guys, else it's really not gonna look good. Patience, I guess. But as I said, guys, the last trade, if you lose this, I'm done. I'm not gonna risk any more shorts here today. After this one, there's no point in looking for more shorts after this. Gonna remove this so we have a cleaner chart. What an insane market. What an insane market, guys. Still positive delta, we still had 2.2k new buyers at this candle. It's just crazy. Alright, we are at the daily now, guys. Look at this. We are actually at the daily now. So this is kind of the last hope for this setup here. You need to see a pullback from here. We are at this daily level here. Just hope we're not gonna go to this whole wick here, because then I would get stopped out. But this is the last daily level. This is my stop loss here, 6982. Not looking too good right now. We hit the daily now as well. Not a single pullback though, holy crap. We're about to go to these wicks. We're at this wicks right now, guys. It's also 1 hour level and a daily level. So we need to get a pullback here, guys. We have to get one. You can see we are at this daily level right now. Oh wait, I was not on TradingView. Let me show you again, sorry. So this is on TradingView. We are at this daily level, as you can see here. Daily level, and we hit it now. So this is the last real resistance. If we go higher, I might even close this out if we pump higher here and call it a day. We should really see a reaction from here, guys. We should really see a reaction from here. Okay, this is a strong resistance level. Stop loss is right here, as you can see, so I hope you're not gonna go to this wick, else I would get stopped out if you go up to this whole wick here. Wait, I don't wanna move this. Yeah, this is my entry, you can see we are still in drawdown. And here's my stop loss. And one take profit is here and the other one is here. I don't know, it's still looking bullish, guys. Literally still looking bullish. No sign of a pullback here yet. Also, the order flow is still looking good. Go higher. Crazy, crazy, crazy pump. There is literally no pullback, guys. Not a single pullback. Still new buyers, holy. Yeah, we might get stopped out here as well, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna hold this. It even broke for the daily, like butter, like there was not even a resistance level. Are we actually gonna go to 7k today? I mean, this would be so crazy. Not looking too good, guys. Not gonna lie. I'm just gonna hold this. Literally just gonna hold this trade. But I'm probably gonna go out earlier if this trade, if we see a pullback. Just to recover the losses and then be done with the day. This would be really nice to recover the losses. But right now there's literally not a single pullback, guys, even though we just pumped another like 40 points today. There are some sellers here, but as I said, not enough. Also no bearish CVD prints. Yeah, this might be a quick stream if we get stopped out here so fast, guys. We will see. We're not stopped out yet, but I don't know. This is just crazy. What a bullish week, holy. Bitcoin is just pumping. Let me quickly check my Bitcoin long now. At least the Bitcoin long is doing good, guys. I should have even held this even longer as well. The altcoin longs are also pumping now, guys. $700 up on the BNB long and 400 on the AVAX long. Oh, we are not seeing any retracement here, guys. Not a single retracement. Yeah, I don't know. Might be a stop loss again, guys. I'm getting actually closer and closer to my stop loss. It's around here, 6982. This is why we risk low contracts, guys, on these trades. We need now a swing failure pattern of the daily level, so we have to go below this daily level, 6966. Then we might be able to still see a pullback, but yeah, as long as we hold this level, it's looking bad. What are the sessions showing here? Yeah, still above the orderflow level. We need to lose this one here. Some sellers here, but nothing strong yet. We also, what's really funny, we didn't get any more liquidations here. Like there have been no more strong liquidations here, as you can see. Of shorts. There have been many liquidations here and here, but no real liquidations right here. I hope we lose the daily again. So we need to lose 6966, guys. Then it's gonna look a little bit better again. This is absolutely absurd, yeah. Jan, this is insane, this pump. Like, there are no retracements. Like, longs are just longing and they keep winning because we don't see any pullback and they're not getting liquidated as well. We need to hope for a long squeeze. We really need to hope for a long squeeze for this short now to play out. And for that, we need to first see a dump. Like, if we just go higher and higher, we're just gonna get wrecked. So we need to finally see a little pullback here for this to happen. Yeah, I'm not gonna short anymore after this, Jan. I'm not gonna short anymore after this. At least not today. I mean, if we lose this, we're gonna go to 7k, which is crazy. What a crazy market, man. Like long, you're just winning if you're long. If you longed here especially, but I would never long here now as well. But even long here was risky. I mean, guys, it is what it is. We tried some shorts. It was a good level to try and short, but it just didn't work out. It's looking not good right now though as well. What an insane short squeeze. Gonna show you on trading view again, guys. We're getting closer to the stop loss here. So this is my stop loss here. We still have some hope, but I don't know. I mean, we are right at this wick now. We are exactly at this wick. So I really hope we can actually see a pullback now. This is the wick from here, from February, guys. This is a high time frame level as well. This is why I shorted it. This is a high time frame level. And we are day trading, but we don't see a reaction even on a day trade from the level yet. We didn't see one. So I do hope we can see a pullback here, and I hope we're not gonna fill this whole wick, because if we fill this wick, I'm gonna get stopped out. So yeah. But if we lose this, so if this happens, it's not gonna look better, guys, if we actually lose this daily now. This is what I really hope here, is that's gonna happen. But it's not looking too good right now. Maybe we should have just taken all the shorts with one contract only. Like I did yesterday on the last short. But I don't know, like the levels were good to short. Both of them were good levels to short. Just no reaction. We had slightly negative delta on the last candle, only 500 negative delta though. Come on. Let's lose that daily, guys. We need to lose it. We need to lose 6966 badly here. Still a lot of buyers up here. There were still 4.4k contracts bought here. 3.2k, 3.2k. I mean, it's crazy. We need these buyers to finally stop here. Or we need a lot more sellers than buyers. Which is gonna happen, but it only happens if we go lower. We need to break this low here. Slightly small pullback here. Might be a red day, guys. Might be a red day today. It's crazy how we're almost at 7k again. I mean, ES was at 6,300 2 weeks ago, guys. So 2 weeks ago we were 700 points down, and now we're almost at 7k again. As I said, I hate shorts. I mean, shorts can be nice. Shorts have been really profitable before the last 14 days. But yeah. This is one of the craziest pumps ever, I guess. I mean, 700 points in like 2 weeks. This is absolutely absurd. And even at these high time frame levels, we cannot see a decent reaction. It's not like we're trading 15-minute levels, you know what I mean? These are all high time frame levels that I'm trading. But no reaction at all, like literally no reaction. I guess you should have long today, guys, but yeah, this was like, there was like no good long. Besides the 1 hour level retest. Still going higher here, guys. It's crazy. I think we might even hit stop loss on this one, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, look at the RSI, guys. You have to check the RSI out as well on the 1 hour, and it's so overbought. It has been overbought for a while. Not a single retracement though. So we are getting closer here to my stop loss, guys. This is my stop loss here. 6982, so not far away now again. We are just pumping. We're above this wick now as well. Should have, yeah, which is a strong, which is a 4 hour level. But no reactions at all. So if we lose this trade, guys, we're probably gonna go, wait, is this also? Yeah, we're probably gonna go to 7k next. If we actually lose this, or what also could happen that we get stopped out and then we see a pullback, but I'm not gonna short here again. I'm not gonna short here again for sure. If that happens. Crazy, absolutely crazy. But we're gonna recover this, guys. I mean, we had the most crazy long here. I just wish I would have held this longer here. This would have been such a crazy trade. Stopped out on Nasdaq long. Wait, so you took profits? ES short is in red. Yeah, I don't know, man. This ES is just absolutely crushing it. Look here at the RSI here. It's insane. We've been overbought for such a long time without any retracement. Besides here we had a big retracement. I'm really hoping for something like this, for a big dump like this, then we can recover all the losses. But I don't think it's gonna happen. I mean, it is still looking bullish. We just broke through this daily resistance level like nothing. We are at this wicks. I just really hope we're not gonna go up here and then dump, because that can also happen that we're gonna fill this wick here, the one here. But we'll see. We'll see, guys. I'm gonna hold this. Yeah, gonna hold this. Maybe. Yeah, let me quickly see something though, where I'm gonna take the profits. 200. I might actually fully close this here, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Because then we recovered all the losses. 6917, if we go down here again. How much do I make here? 400 and 200 on this one. I mean, this would be really nice. Yeah, we've been just short squeezing. Short squeezing and short squeezing. And even now we're just consolidating here. It's actually not what I like to see. Consolidating above the resistance. Doesn't look too good, I'm not gonna lie. Still so many buyers at these highs. Trump tweet anything? Let me quickly see. Well, I'm almost another 1k up on the Bitcoin long. This is just crazy. I should have held this even longer. It's at 5 hour, guys. The trade we took on Sunday on HyroTrader, it's at 5 hour now. The Bitcoin long. My entry was 70k, 71k, no 4 hour, sorry. Close to 5 hour. No, actually close to 5 hour now. Bitcoin has also been just pumping. Looks also really strong now, Bitcoin. This is nice to see at least that finally Bitcoin is going up a bit. But guys, if ETH is gonna dump again, crypto is also gonna probably go down again. Still above resistance, not what I like to see, guys. Haven't lost the high time frame resistance yet. Might get stopped out here. We will see. This is why I only risk two micro contracts though, guys. This is exactly why. I'm glad that I only risked $200 on each 50k account here. This would be insane, man. And yesterday we risked one on the short only. But I should have, even today I should have risked only one, I guess. Would have been much better to risk one only. Probably the way to go from now on, to risk only one on the sells here. But even 2 is not a lot. I mean, I'm risking $200, guys. I have 2k drawdown. And on my funded accounts, I have much more than 2k drawdown. That's a good thing. Because I built up some buffer. Are we gonna see a pullback? I don't think it might not happen. I mean, it's still looking so bullish. CVD is still going up here. New buyers are stepping in all the time. It is crazy. And here comes the next pump, I guess, guys. Yeah, I might get stopped out here even on this one. I mean, look at how many new buyers there are now. CVD is jumping up again, 1.7k delta. Nothing to trade here, Jan. Yeah, it's hard to get into shorts. I mean, even longs here, I would never long here. CryptoButter is back. Man, what a pump, CryptoButter. Crypto is looking good though. Finally, at least crypto is going up. This is nice to see. That's the only good thing about this today. Yeah, it was crazy. I mean, we are just short squeezing and short squeezing. Like for shorts, it's a bad day, guys. It's a really bad day for any shorters. And these are high time frame levels as well that I'm trading, guys. These are not low time frame levels. But we are just pushing through every resistance level like it's nothing. But at least crypto is going up. This is a good thing for us, for our longs. At least crypto is pumping here, guys. This is good. Oh, we are down 7k today, but most of it is on the 150k account, which is fine. They're not even funded yet, so I don't really care about them. Yeah, so we should have held this long. Yesterday's long, I should have just held it. This would have been a 7-hour trade, guys, and I closed it close to 2-hour. So we should have just held on to that. I think we're gonna get stopped out here soon, actually. This is insane. Yeah, guys, so if we get stopped out, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna trade anymore today. We are now at this high here. We are literally at this high. And my stop loss is right here. So we need to see a pullback. We need to actually see a pullback here. I mean, I need to see one. I'm not sure if you guys are in a short as well, but I need to see one. You need to get CFD account to hedge. I do have CFD accounts, but I don't share the trades of my CFD account. Because it makes no sense to also stream CFD on the same YouTube channel. I wanna focus on ES. Small pullback here, but nothing special. Like literally nothing special at all. I hope, Kurai, I really hope. I mean, I'm in the short as well. So, yeah, but it doesn't look like it right now. As I said, we need a strong pullback. We need a strong pullback below 6966. And then maybe we can actually still make profit on this short. But right now, I don't know. It's just so bullish. It's absolutely crazy. We are just going higher and higher. We're squeezing all the shorts. I'm just happy that I'm not scalp trading this, like trying to scalp trade this. This seems absolutely crazy if you're scalp trading here. Especially if you look for shorts. Like if you ever looked for shorts and you're a scalp trader, that's just... I think on days like this, you can just blow your whole account if you're scalp trading and looking for shorts. You need to really be careful, man. This is so crazy, this pump. I think a lot of people got wrecked, like lost their funded accounts probably from today and yesterday. So I'm glad that I'm in this with small contracts, guys, and we're gonna hold it. Maybe we're still gonna win this one. Who knows, guys? Who knows? It's all a probability. We can just pump, we can just dump from here. There can be news coming out, you know, you never know. Or maybe we're gonna see a swing failure pattern now of the highs. This would be really nice. Marius is also back, man. Marius, what a day. What is going on today? Like the bulls are not stopping here. They are not giving up. They just want to keep buying and buying and buying. Imagine we win this trade now, guys. We would be so happy. All of us would be so happy if we win this one. It would be the most unexpected turnaround. We should have also been a bit more... yeah, well, no. Actually, no. We should be... I entered right at the Orderflow level. I did the right execution. I mean, it could have also been like this, that we go to the Orderflow level and we see an instant dump. It just didn't happen. I'm gonna show you an example. For example, this was an Orderflow level here previously. And it was the high and we saw an instant dump from it, basically. So it can happen, you know, these levels are back tested. This was a perfect long here. I mean, look at these levels. This was a perfect long here as well. To the dollar, this was a perfect long to the dollar as well here. So we are just trading these levels, guys. I'm literally just trading these levels. Here was a perfect short as well. yeah, so it can happen, it just didn't happen. So, but maybe it's still gonna happen. How's your day, guys? I think a lot of people here are a little bit in red today. This is not one of our good days, sadly, but it is normal to also to have bad days, guys. I haven't had a red day in a while, so it was gonna happen. It was just a matter of time. It's good to have a red day on stream as well, and not only green days. Because this is how trading actually is, guys. You cannot have win every day. Oh, it didn't. Still people buying this. It's insane. Yeah, and stop loss is here, guys. So this is the last trade of the day. If I lose this, I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Like, I'm literally not gonna risk any more trades after this. Like, these are the only 2 trades I wanted to take today. Yeah, and our entry is here. My entry is here. So we're still close to the entry, but I don't know, these bulls are not giving up here. There are no big sellers here. You can see the CV, just look at the CV line. These are all new market buys, so they're not stopping. We're getting new market buys all the time. It is absolutely crazy. But it was right. The trade that I posted in Discord, I cancelled it after no way. Always stick to your own plan, guys. Because I'm not always right, you know what I mean? You should stick to your own plan. I was also unlucky, Marius, on yesterday. Because we were in the most crazy long here. I'm gonna show it to you. We were actually in the long from here. I did long this at midnight here, but I closed it way too early. I closed it around here. And we would have gone up to 6,900 before the market closed. So this would have been a 7-hour trade. So 1.4k on this trade if I just held it. I was in here from this low on this long on Monday. I posted the long as well on my Discord, so a lot of people actually took this long with me. So this was also really upsetting here that I closed this so early. Could have just held this, made a lot of money. I mean, this would have been the trade of the month. This would have been actually the trade of the month here probably, if you just held it. So yeah, I also did miss a lot of gains here, but we still closed green yesterday. But today is gonna be a red day most likely, unless we see a big take profit here. Today might be a red day. Yeah, we had an int. This was the craziest long actually, and I closed it way too early. I closed it at 2 hour. Can you hold overnight? No, you can't, but it would have went to 7 hour before the market closed. Wait, I'm gonna show you again. So this trade actually would have gone, so my entry was at 6,784, so this was my entry here. Wait, can you see it? This was my entry on Monday, right at the market. I went into a long here. So wait, I'm gonna show you exactly the trade I took and what I missed out here. So this was my entry. Stop loss was, I got almost stopped out here, by the way. This is my stop loss here. I got almost stopped out on this trade, but I woke up around here and I closed it around, wait, I woke up around here and I closed it around 2 hour. And we could have just held this trade and the market would have closed. Let me show you. The market would have closed right here. So this would have been a 6.37 hour trade actually, if we just held on, if I just held this and didn't do anything. So this was a really upsetting trade here. And now we're not getting any pullback on these high time frame levels. Really annoying, not gonna lie. But it is part of trading, guys. It is how it is. I mean, we could have also gone lower again on Monday. It's all a probability game. But what I'm gonna do next time, so what I'm gonna change in my strategy a little bit, I'm gonna, instead of opening one contract with two contracts at once, I'm gonna open two 1 contracts, because then I would have left one open for sure and I would have taken a little bit profits here. And this would have been the way to go here. I'm gonna do this for now because I see in my back test and in my trade log that a lot of trades I end up not holding, even though they go much, they go into my direction much more. So I'm kind of gonna do this, guys. We're still pumping. It's insane. We are still going higher here. Yeah, I don't know. We're probably gonna get stopped out here as well. I also think this trade was not executed. If you remember, in live we said on Apex, can you hold overnight? No, if you hold the trade, it's just gonna close at 10 p.m. So I cannot hold any trades overnight. Nope. I mean, this would be crazy. Imagine me holding the trade like long like this overnight. But it makes sense that you're forced to close it because the liquidity is usually really thin after 10 p.m. And there can be a ton of wicks. So it is actually, yeah, it's probably even good that you cannot hold overnight. We're gonna get stopped out here, I think, guys. Like, it's insane. Probably in one more loss here. And I'm not allowed to take any more trades after 2 losses, guys. I'm not allowed to take more trades. You need a miracle dump here. You need a miracle dump right now, guys. Getting really close now to the stop loss. I think we might hit stop loss here, but it can still play out maybe. But I don't know, we don't see, like, the CVD is completely bullish still. There's not a single bearish sign yet. CVD is still going up. Yeah, we might get stopped out right now. We actually might go to 7k. I mean, this is crazy. How high is Bitcoin now, by the way? It's probably pumping. 75.2k. Why is Ethereum not going up? It's so weird. Ethereum is just so, like, how is Ethereum down 0.2% today? Really close here to the stop loss. Don't like that. Still 1k positive delta here and 1k here. We're above this previous level here as well. And we really need to go back below here, man. This is so crazy. So the high was at 6973, so right where we are at right now. And if we go to this high, we're gonna get stopped out, sadly. Well, the most annoying thing would be if we go up here and then we dump, but it is what it is then. I'm obviously not gonna risk any more shorts here. Not gonna risk any more shorts, guys. I'm done with these shorts today. The revap is so far away as well. It's crazy that we have not seen any pullback, even to the revap. I'm gonna stream though as long as we stay in this trade, because maybe we are still gonna see a dump here, who knows. Maybe it's gonna happen. It's almost like 1 hour and 20 minutes after New York open. Is anyone still in this short, guys, or did you close it? Probably a lot of you went out of it already. I mean, we're even using 20-point stop losses, guys, and we cannot see any push into our direction. This is kind of crazy. Still buyers here, still 1.8k buyers. I mean, if we don't go lower now, we're gonna see a big short squeeze again, most likely. We're probably gonna see a big pump if we're gonna hold these levels here. So I do think we're most likely gonna get stopped out here. It's not looking good. Not looking good at all, guys. Yeah, we might see another short squeeze. Holy crap, this is crazy. I mean, look at this move. You zoom out here, guys. Look at this move here. Not a single pullback here since the market opened. And there was a small one. Yeah, this was a small one here. Yeah, we're getting closed out any time now, guys. I'm gonna switch off the stream then. Done for the day here. Done with this day for sure. You're getting really close now to the stop loss, guys. Yeah, this is a stop loss most likely now. It's because we had so many bears as well. I mean, so many sellers in the past. They're just all getting squeezed now. Like these massive dumps I showed this before on stream, these massive dumps always end up in big pumps. But usually see some reaction from the high time frame levels, at least on the day, but we didn't see that at all. It's just been going higher and higher and higher. Yeah, this is most likely gonna hit now the stop loss, guys. If we don't hit stop loss, we're really lucky here. This is so crazy, man. It's insane. Nothing to rescue in this trade. No, not at all. I mean, we just pumped from the level from my entry. It's just been going up. There was not even a chance to go out of the trade. The daily VWAP is at 6934. Almost 50 points from the daily VWAP. This is just crazy. I really wonder what's gonna happen to ES in the next days though. I have to get to accounts that allow overnight holding. It sounds like you're a swing trader more, Alex. Like Jan, you're like more of a swing trader. We are getting really close here. Yeah, it's not looking good at all. How hard is today? Yeah, it is completely annoying, man. Like, how can we not get a single pullback? Because I didn't show. You know that I usually wait a long time. I only showed high time frame levels, but even on the high time frame levels, you got no single pullback. Just squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. Yeah, we're probably gonna, like, it's 90% chance that we're gonna get stopped out now. Because it's so close to the stop loss. No, I'm basically trading longs on failed breakdowns and reclaims, not happening with this market type. I mean, it really depends on the market condition as well, Jan. Four points away from stop loss, 4 points away. I mean, it's so crazy. If you actually longed today, you could have still gotten free R trade. Even if you longed here, it's so absurd. Like, longing here, you would have bagged the free R trade right now on this pump. With a 20-point stop loss. Small dump here though, but guys are really, I already think I already count this as stop loss with how close we are to our stop loss, but I don't think we're gonna go lower here. Like, it's not looking good. But we are finally seeing some sellers here, but I don't know, man. I think that for you it's also worse for the pressure of the stream. I think it's a little bit different, yeah. It is true, yeah. Trading live is really... The thing is, if you trade live, you know that other people are probably gonna copy your trades, and it's always a bad feeling if you hit the stop loss then, you know what I mean? And if I just trade for myself, it's different, because then I just trade for myself. And so this is the thing with live trading, for sure. It is more stressful. But it's all, on the other hand, it's also nice to show some losses on stream, you know what I mean? Not only wins. But with all the trades I take, I obviously want them to work out because I take them on my own accounts. We're probably gonna dump now again. I mean, pump, we're probably gonna go up here again. 1.1k negative delta and 600 negative delta, but we're just not going down. Like, these longs are just insane. The bears have no ammo left. Yeah, there's nobody selling right now. I mean, there are a lot of people selling, but there's just too many buyers. Like, there's just too many people or institutions that are just buying every sell. Market makers are really pushing this here. They are really, really pushing this. We should have really just held the long on Monday longer, man. This would have been so crazy. Ooh, there are some sellers now. But I already counted this as a loss, guys, in my head. Like, if we actually go lower, we're really lucky. We are really, really lucky. I did already count this as a stop loss here. Like, still buyers here. It's just so insane. $3.2K sellers, 2.6K buyers still. They're not giving up, guys. They're literally not giving up yet. Yeah, I don't know, man. This is insane. This is crazy. I guess we're gonna fill this wick here. We're gonna fill it up to 6. I mean, imagine we see the dump then after this. This would be so tilting. Because the wick goes to 6988, guys. The whole wick goes to 6988, and we probably are gonna fill this. And if we don't see a reaction from that, we're gonna go to 7K. Maybe even today. I mean, maybe we're even gonna go to 7K today. There is one short level that I most likely are gonna take, though still it's 7,033, which is the all-time high. We're actually almost at the all-time high, guys. How insane is this? 14 days ago we were at 6,300 and now ES is almost at the previous all-time high after 14 days. Like, just think about this. It's absolutely absurd. It is just absurd. We're really close at the all-time high now. I mean, from the all-time high. 60 points away. But I might not even look for any more shorts this week. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's just so bullish. Probably might even take a break tomorrow, I will see. And just see what the market is gonna do, because it's just crazy. Small dump here though, guys. Small dump. I'm not gonna jinx it though. I'm not gonna say anything. We're just gonna hold this trade. There are finally some sellers at least now, but yeah, I really think we're probably gonna get stopped out here. But if we actually go to the entry, that would be really good. That would be so good for us. Because then we might actually see a dump. But yeah, we're still in the, like, we're still really bullish. We need to go to the entry again to feel more safe. Ooh, there are some sellers though. I'm even considering closing this at the entry. This is just insane. But no, I'm probably just gonna hold this, like, because I can have two stop losses completely fine. As long as I don't do, like, after 2 stop losses I'm done for the day always. This is my rule. So losing this trade is according to my rules, which is fine to just hold it. Because we can see a big correction if we go lower. It's finally some sellers though, guys. Holy crap. Finally some sellers at least. What is this day? This is something I like to see now, some sellers here. But not enough, we need to see much more. We need to see much more. We need to lose the daily. We need to lose 6966. Here has been a lot of volume, so this is actually a strong support we just retested. And there are also limit buyers here. Yeah, more buyers here again. It's 5 PM and we have just pumped and pumped and pumped, guys, without any retracement. Yeah, this looks bad still. I mean, we still held this level here. We need to lose this low. Then it's gonna look better if we lose this one here. But right now we're still above it. We need much more sellers here, honestly. We need a quick dump here. How are all these buyers here getting away with buying up here? It's just so insane. At least we're not so close to the stop loss anymore, but still, it's still very close. It's up here. Oh, still more buyers here. Man. And there was also not a lot of volume. I want to see more volume with sellers. There was not a lot of volume here on the sell. You need to see selling with a lot of volume. This is what I want to see. And it didn't happen. Didn't happen yet. Like here you can see it on this pump. We had a lot of volume, which is what I want to see. So we need to see a dump with a lot of volume. So, but if this is greener, this means that there was more volume. I'm gonna zoom in here so you can see here. We had a lot of the volume picked up here, and this was a strong movement. So I want to see a lot of volume and negative delta, but it doesn't happen. Didn't happen yet, at least. Can we at least lose this low here? That would be nice if we at least lose 6967. Best thing would be if we actually go below the entry now. This means that it could have been a fake out, and this usually means not a fake out. I mean a swing failure pattern of the previous highs. This would be really nice, but right now we're still in territory where there's a high chance that we're gonna get stopped out. Wow, what is this pump today, man? This is crazy. A lot of sellers. We had more sellers than here, and we did make a new low. Also don't like to see that. But as long as I keep up, it's fine. But we're still this. You can see this orange box here, so we had a lot of volume here, a lot of liquidity. So if you lose this, it's gonna look better. Come on. Can we finally get some sellers, guys? We're already gonna give up on us again here. Oh, there is some volume maybe coming in now. Still not much. 3 minutes left on this candle to close. Hopefully we make a new low here, but it doesn't look like it. We had a lot of sellers actually, but we didn't dump that much because there are just so many buyers as well. Well, delta is still negative. So is asymmetric candle again. The thing is, delta is nice to see. It's nice to see negative delta, but we need to see a new low. That's more important than actually negative delta. Because we have to actually stop out these longs for a bigger move to the downside. But these longs are all still in their position. We need to stop out all these longs here by going lower. But this is not this was a small move, like this was only 10 points. This is why it's still really risky, like, I mean that why it's still risky that we're gonna get stopped out. But at least we're seeing some sellers. I mean, I cannot complain, guys. At least we finally see some sellers, but it's not enough. It's really not enough yet. Still at this level here. This is crazy how many people are aping here, how many people are buying here. There are 15k limit buys here as well, and 15k sells. So we have to lose this, guys. Come on. Can we do it? CVD is dropping, but yeah, the buyers are also not giving up here. What I really want to see if we lose this daily, the daily is around here, so 6966 is the daily. So if we lose this, then it actually looks better, a trade. As long as we stay above here, it looks like we're gonna get stopped out. So this is the key level here that we actually have to lose. Still pumping again. Oh, this is also empty. What an unlucky day though, guys. What a weird day here. Big sell here though. Yeah, the buyers just keep buying. This is the main problem here. We are getting sellers, but there are buyers on each candle, like almost as much as sellers. And this is why we're not dropping, because they just are not stopping. And for them to stop, we need to see a new low, because then also new sellers are gonna come in. But as long as we stay above this daily resistance level, this is really bad. So we need to really lose 6966, and then we will be a little bit more safe actually. And if you want, you can actually go out break even or close to break even. But I'm probably just gonna hold this, honestly. I mean, it's fine to have 2 stop losses a day. Lewis Roy, we need a healthy, at least a healthy, yeah, we need a bigger pullback, so we need to lose this. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you on TradingView. We have to really lose this daily, because if we lose this daily, it actually looks much better, because then I think we can see a big dump maybe. We're still above this wick here. You can see here, wait, I'm gonna go out of here so you see it. We are still right now above this resistance level, so we need to go below this. Because if we actually go below this now, then it looks much better. But as long as we stay above here, it's a bad sign. And again, buyers stepping in, it's just not a day for shorts, honestly. Literally not a day for shorts. I mean, if these shorts now get squeezed, we're gonna get stopped out 100%. So if we're not gonna see new sellers here, we're gonna get stopped out. Okay, could you please check Nasdaq? Got again scalp long stop. Let me see Nasdaq for you. But I have to check it on TradingView. I don't want to switch here Nasdaq on. Man, look at Nasdaq. Holy pump. I mean, look, even Nasdaq is now at high time frame resistance almost. Nasdaq seems so much more difficult to trade here, not gonna lie. It's just pumping. I think Nasdaq can actually go up to 26k if ES goes higher from here as well. It really depends on ES, obviously. It's funny, on Nasdaq we don't even have a resistance level here yet. The first resistance level is at 26k. So yeah, we only have this resistance level on ES right here. Gold is also pumping, like even gold is pumping, silver is going up. As you can see here, silver went up 4% today. Oil is just dropping, so the insider trader was right again. And guys, look at this here, by the way. Perfectly hit this monthly, this strong resistance level. So if oil just keeps dropping, we're gonna go much higher in ES, I'm not gonna lie. Like oil is hit this weekly and monthly level, no, the monthly level only. This is also why we're just pumping, by the way, because oil is just going down. What else? Crypto is pumping. But not too much. Ethereum is really weak to that right now. And we are still pumping. We're right in this wick here. Don't like this, man. Do not like this at all. And as you can see, still no new low. We didn't make even a new low on 5-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame, guys. We didn't make a new low. This is not good. Still held this level here. Seems like a short squeeze day, really. It just seems like a big short squeeze day. Look at these buys here still. But as you can see, there are still sellers, but not enough. So these shorts might all get squeezed here again as well. Are we getting really close again here? Not to stop loss now. Getting really close. Oh no, we're squeezing them, guys, right now. This is not good. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here now, most likely. We're squeezing them again. This is just crazy, man. Ooh, there is a very CVD print, but it's too late, I think. We got all the move back that took the beers 20 minutes to reach. Yeah. This is just crazy. There is a bearish CVD print, but I think we're gonna get stopped out right now, guys. And I'm not gonna risk any more short. This would just be stupid. Like, we are not seeing any pullbacks here at high time frame levels. We need some magic to happen now, but we're so close to getting stopped here. No, we're gonna get stopped. We're gonna get stopped most likely now. Yeah. Nope, we're gonna get stopped here, guys. It's so close now. I'm almost sure now. Yeah. This is just crazy. This is just crazy, guys. They are not giving up, the bulls. And not quite stopped, but we're gonna get stopped out here. I mean, any second. And I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'm not gonna short anymore. If you want, you can try one more, but I'm not doing it. It's too risky. Can't believe we filled that whole wick. Holy. Still not stopped out, but it's gonna happen. Is what it is, guys. Cannot have a green day every day. Yeah, now it's getting stopped. Yeah, stopped out now, guys. Done with the day. I'm not trading anymore. I'm not trading anymore right now. Yeah, I'm done. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Negative day, sadly. But we are gonna come back from this. Luckily, we only risk 2 contracts on these sells. I mean, this is absurd. This is absolutely absurd. Gonna go off now, though, guys. I'm not gonna trade anymore today. Like, I'm done with it. Done with the day. Thank you for watching, though. I hope you're gonna have a nice day tomorrow or on Thursday. Yeah, but I'm not gonna risk any more trades here. This is just crazy. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Sorry about this. It was what it is. Yeah. Have a great day, and I see you tomorrow. I see you tomorrow again, most likely. If I'm gonna trade tomorrow, we'll see.